Firing up your Coyote pellet smoker, that's the easy part. Deciding which pellets to use, which flavors to employ, that's going to be the most difficult decision. It's great to have a nice selection of woods on hand, hickory, mesquite, applewood, to test and experiment with your favorite recipes. The first step is to select and fill the pellet hopper with your preferred all-natural wood cooking pellets. Press the power button on the left side of the grill. The screen will light up and the Coyote logo will appear. The grill will go into startup mode. The display will be locked by default. To unlock the display, press the lock button for 3 seconds and hold. Getting comfortable with your pellet grill will be simple, and before you know it, you'll be preparing your favorite recipes with that smoky flavor. Once in startup mode, you're able to set the temperature and timer to the setting that is ideal for the food you're going to prepare. Once temperature is set, press the green start button at the bottom right of the display to fire up the grill. A flame logo will appear, which means the igniter is on and starting the grill. Once the grill is lit, the flame logo will turn into a stop icon. Now that you know how to start your Coyote pellet grill, it's time to get smoking.